So 14th March, around 10:30 p.m. OpenAI launched GPT-4. It's a successor of ChatGPT 3.5. In case if you don't know what an OpenAI is, it's a research company that aims to develop and direct artificial intelligence in a way to benefit humanity as a whole. The company was founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. And ChatGPT is their latest product, which can extract information from text, image, video, and audio. Confusing? So let's say if you give a meme image to ChatGPT-4, it can identify the meme and its joke, and it will explain it to you too. If you have a diagram or a chart which you cannot understand, you can simply take a screenshot and ask GPT-4 for its meaning and solution, and it will explain you the meaning and solution in a very simple way. If you're still confused about GPT-4, let me explain and give you a very simple demo. Just go to your kitchen and open up your fridge and take a picture of the items in the fridge, and ask GPT-4 what you can make for lunch or dinner with the items in the fridge, and it will tell you what to cook with the step-by-step guide. GPT-4 can respond 40% more than GPT 3.5, but still there are hallucination problems in GPT-4, which means it can respond wrong from time to time. Still, GPT-4 is 40% more accurate than GPT 3.5, but not 100%, so you need to use your creativity and brain to create something unique. Where GPT-3 could only create 3,000 words content, but now GPT-4 is capable of handling over 25,000 words of text, which means you can have longer conversation, ask longer form of questions, and ask GPT-4 to write you a longer article. You know what that means? That means you can ask GPT-4 to write you a full YouTube script, and then use your creativity to make some unique changes and make YouTube video out of it. If you want to learn how to do that, just comment down and I will make a dedicated video for that. Or you can go watch my older video where I use ChatGPT 3.5, Resemble AI, and Picture AI to create a full YouTube video under 5 minutes. But first, finish this video so you can have full idea about this AI. Now you must have noticed that I haven't mentioned about how many GB of data they have used and how many billion parameter they have used in GPT-4. Because OpenAI is not making it public. The main reason is that they don't want their competitor to know their strength. That's why they're keeping their model size, data size, parameter number, and training method hidden from the public. Now, one of the main reasons why GPT-4 is way better than GPT 3.5 is because they have used more human feedback, including human feedback submitted by ChatGPT users to improve ChatGPT-4's behavior. So OpenAI had no issue of gathering human feedback to make ChatGPT-4 better than ChatGPT 3.5. Now, where GPT 3.5 was just a beta tool to use for fun and experiment for free, GPT-4 was already given to some companies before launch, and they have created products and service tools based on GPT-4, which we will get to use in few days. Language learning app like Duolingo already created 2 features based on GPT-4, where you can learn a new language and practice that language with an imaginary person. Duolingo is also providing a feature where it can analyze your translation and explain. Payment processor company like Stipe have also used and built a search feature where you can search an accurate solution for your problems. Morgan Stanley Bank has also used GPT-4 to create automatic chatbot using internal documents, reports, procedure documents, and more to help their employee for internal usage. On the other hand, government of Iceland used GPT-4 and 40 volunteers to improve GPT-4 in Icelandic language. So with a little bit of help, we can create GPT-4 in different languages too. And maybe with the help of GPT-4, we can recreate the old ancient languages too. GPT-3 and 3.5 was just a tool for fun and experiment, but the latest version is a commercial product which has been used by many different companies and is going to be a daily product which we will need to solve our issues and problems. Now, how can you use ChatGPT? The normal ChatGPT that we all used was based on 3.5, which was a free version. In order to use GPT-4, we need to subscribe for ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 per month. You can also apply for a GPT-4 API by joining the waitlist. So GPT-4 is out and ready to use. We are going to explore more features and understand how you can use it for your online business, marketing, SEO, and dropshipping. So for those upcoming videos, subscribe right now so you can stay ahead of your competition with the help of GPT-4. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention this in the video, but if you guys want to talk to me about business ideas and anything related to like money making ideas, please feel free to like join my Discord server. Link will be in the comment section. So I'll see you guys there.